Did you know that employee engagement is at the lowest levels ever since companies began seriously tracking it in the 90s? Or that only about 29% of American workers say they feel engaged at their jobs? 68% say they simply don't feel listened to by management. Did you know that about half of employees say they could contribute to problem solving in other areas of the company but aren't encouraged to? And that most management personnel can think of at least one major initiative or project that failed or was canceled due to the lack of executive understanding. Did you know that about 25% of disengaged employees say they plan on separating from their jobs in the next year? Or that employees that feel engaged at work are up to 55% more effective and productive each day? In fact, disengaged employees cost American companies about $350 million each year in absence and lost productivity. That sure is a lot of statistics, but one thing is perfectly clear. Improving employee engagement is a key element in increasing productivity, revenue, and competitive advantage. So now that you know, what can you do right now to improve employee engagement at your company? Well, there are 5 fairly simple things you can do to start improving employee engagement and morale at your company, and you can start doing them all today with Flagpole Software from MindMatters. Number 1, start getting employee input. Using Flagpole, you can quickly and easily set up a space for your employees to share feedback and ideas. Flagpole makes it simple and straightforward to review all the input you'll receive, so you can start putting the best employee suggestions and ideas into action. Maybe it's a new product idea, sharing of best practices, or even a suggestion for improving the way your company deals with certain issues. With Flagpole, everyone gets a voice and everyone gets a vote. Recognize their contribution. There's nothing more powerful than being recognized by your boss or manager for your contribution to a successful initiative. With Flagpole, you can easily see where your great ideas are coming from and reward folks accordingly. You probably already have a monthly or quarterly meeting to share good news, company plans, or important announcements. Use that time to recognize employees for their contribution. Flagpole makes it so easy to shine the spotlight on the superstars making a difference in your organization. Problem-solving challenges. You undoubtedly have problems in your organization that you would like to have solved yesterday. If you can't think of any, ask a manager, department head, or executive to rattle off a few. Using Flagpole, you can take these issues and create challenges to share with your employees. Many companies have found success by setting a deadline or time limit and aligning the problem with a specific executive or department. It's the best way to solve issues and, at the same time, recognize your heroes for pitching in. Flagpole makes it easy to do all of these things. Number 4, collaboration. Collaboration goes hand in hand with challenges, but it's important for all types of projects and initiatives. With Flagpole, you can create a collaborative environment for people to ideate, vote, comment, and help solve problems in other areas of the company. Flagpole is so easy to use that it requires 0 training, so anyone in any department can visit when it's convenient for them. Folks from all across the organization will begin to share ideas and solutions to problems that your own group may never have come up with. It's that sharing feeling that keeps employees engaged and interested in issues all across the company. Number 5, projects. Now you're collecting input and ideas from everyone and starting to solve each other's problems like there's no tomorrow. What happens next with all the good ideas and suggestions? In a typical organization, this is unfortunately where things don't always go so smoothly. But Flagpole has you covered. Approved ideas are easily launched into projects and assigned to individuals to manage or champion through implementation. If you're already using a project management application, such as Basecamp, Flagpole offers a one-click integration that allows you to share information with the Basecamp tool. With Flagpole, employee suggestions and input flow into ideas, which become working projects, so your organization can track benefits and ROI, report wins across the company, and recognize contributors for their effort. It all leads to better engagement for your employees and better management of innovation, increased revenue, and competitive advantage for your company. If you'd like to learn more about Flagpole, the easy-to-deploy, easy-to-use web application for managing employee input, collaboration, and problem-solving, please contact Flagpole today or visit flagpole-software.com.